This is Eric with CuratedBid, your home for hand-selected adventure-ready vehicles. Today we're going to overview a 2019 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter high-roof, two-wheel drive gasoline model. Let's get into it. Being able to get a fully built-out Sprinter VS30 144-inch two-wheel drive for $65K is not easy, yet that is what we have right here. This is a DIY build that sleeps in seats 2, has a convenient layout with an efficient galley, cabinetry, and couch and dining area that converts into a bed. As far as systems go, it runs electrical off of a Bluetti AC200 battery. That's about 2,000 watt hours, which we have found to be totally adequate for day-to-day weekend warrior use if you aren't trying to take hot showers or run microwaves or the like. We like the materials used, such as Havelock Wool for insulation, and it has niceties like the Dometic toilet, MaxxAir fan, and an ISOTherm fridge. Bottom line, there's a lot of van here for $65K. Check out this Sprinter and many more adventure vehicles at CuratedBid.com.